Page 42, Tango. Study in rhythm. This is an interesting rhythm. Common timer 4/4 time. We're 3 flats. We're in the key of C minor. Make sure you can do the scale. You should do the scale for E flat major because it has 3 flats, and C minor, at least 1 octave up and down. Right hand first. Rhythm's a little tricky, so let's look out here. We're starting here. 1, 2. Remember the E flats are in the key signature, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and. Now second finger, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1. I suggest on the third measure you do a 3-2, because the next one is the thumb here. It's kind of this chord. Because if you do this, the thumb's got to come down again. I don't like doing that, so just do a 1, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, and. Stay here. Just stay in this position. 1 and 2, 2. I do a 4, 1, because that's where I am. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, and then what? Second finger. Okay. Cross over. It's part of a C minor scale. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Fourth line down, second line, it's just chromatic going up. Except the ending on here, so it's 1 and 2 and then A flat now. It's a new measure. The naturals in the previous measure go away. So it's a, yeah. And again, this is just part of a C minor scale. So it's hit 3. Treble clef, because you've been in bass clef, I forgot to tell you. Oops. So, and then it's here. It's a G and an E flat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. See, they give you how it's played there. I don't know that you need that. The idea there is maybe you just play them all as 8th notes. 8th notes all the way through, and then you tie them together to make quarter notes. That helps some people, and other people it completely confuses them. So you'll have to pick which one you are and go with the right one. But I don't need that other little thing up there, because I can go 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2. If you don't want your hand up here, you got to do that. But if you do, after the first one, you use a little finger. To. Otherwise, fingering in the book is fine, and that pattern goes over and over and over and over and over and over. It's the same rhythm. Last ending there is 1 and 2 and 3. All right. Left hand, C minor chord, 2, 3. They want third finger. If you can, I recommend you just do 4, 5. Stay here. So I've just reached down for a little bit. I don't like moving around that much. And you need to use 4 and 5 fingers, and don't shy away from them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. And again, I'd use 4, 5. If you can. 5. This is interesting. Second line down, third measure. You have a C, E flat, and then an A flat, because it's in the key signature. A flat, F sharp. And your thumb's okay here because they're both black keys. Might be better if you did 4, because you got a 5th finger coming up here. So if you can. But if you want to do 5, slide off. It's up to you. I prefer 4, I think. And then some more of what you already did. Let's go down to the 4th line. You're here. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and come down. 1, 2, 2, and 3. And part of a C major scale. Last line. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1 second ending, it is played here, the notes are here, but it has an ABA under it, so you go down. If you have a short keyboard, you don't have them, fine, you just play the lowest ones you have, it's good enough. Put the hands together and good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is held down and it comes up. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it comes up there. Get the idea? That's really the trickiest part of the rhythm. It's just a matter of learning the notes and getting the rhythm worked out. Let's go down to the fourth line. You're here. The last line. These notes come together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... You work it out. And then going into the last, you're here, going into the last major, second ending, you're here. Both hands move. Here. Opposite direction, both hands moving. Good luck. You may have to practice going from here to here. I'll leave that up to you. Nice and slow, and then go back and get rid of the hesitations, because this is a dance. Again, people are going to dance to it. Well, you get rid of the hesitations anyway, but the idea is you picture people dancing to this, and the effect it would have on them if you messed up the rhythm. Then we can add the articulation. Well, not a lot going on, just connect things except for the rest. Connect it. And I would slur the second and third measures together. So I would slur those, it's like those measures where there's no rest in between them, I'd slur them together. Now, second line, last measure, accent. And again, I connect those eighth notes to what follows them. All that together in the right hand. I use finger here. It's loud, you can use that, but it goes kind of quick. Accent, staccato. At the second ending, staccato, accent, and staccato. Give that extra bottom here. Speed, well, it's up to you. It doesn't go fast. I'm playing it too fast. You slow it down. So that's plenty fast. You don't need to go faster than that. You can even go slower than that if you want. But the whole thing is the same speed. Then the dynamics, well, whatever you think, moderately, and they telling you on these, bring those out. They want those loud. But these half notes and dotted half notes gotta be soft. So it's... And on these, the accent goes on the quarter note. It's to here, to here. Don't go, The first note, the first beat of the measure is the one with the strongest natural accent. That's what you want. You get the idea, I hope. Fourth line down, you do crescendo. And then you can do both hands the same. And then on the last line, you're loud here, but it's more the right hand than the left. Now they've added pedal at the bottom. You don't need pedal in this at all. I like the staccatos, but they're reinforcing the accents, because we don't really need it to connect the notes, although it does connect the notes, but it's reinforcing it, giving the harmonics in the first part of the measure, which gives that extra exit on it is all. So at the bottom of the page, I'm going to put it down with the notes. I'll lift it up with the staccato so I hear a staccato. And that's about what it is as far as I can tell. Rest. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check all the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I will try and do the accents though. And I'll do the pedaling at the bottom, although I think it's better if you don't pedal it, but okay. I'll give us 4 counts. We're going to take this really slow now. At least to me it's slow. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Repeat.